In this video we'll learn about copy method. So this copy method returns a shallow copy of the original dictionary. It does not change the original dictionary. So let's take original underscore dictionary. Let's make key as 1, value as 1, and key as 2, and the value as 2. So now we'll make a copy inside the new variable. Let's make original dictionary dot copy. So this will copy. So let me print the original dictionary, and I'm going to print the new. So let's run it. So you can see it is successfully copied. So we can also use equal to operator. So I'm going to make here as original equals 1 and 1. Let's make here 2 and 2. And now we'll use the equal to operator, equals original and now let's make new dot clear. So this will clear the content of new. So here you will see the difference in copy and equal to operator. So here I am going to print the new, and let's print the original. So you can see both the dictionaries are empty. So now we'll use the copy method to copy the dictionary. So here I am going to just copy this, and then let's make here dot copy. So now I am going to clear the new, and now let's print the new, and let's print the original as well. So let's run it. So you can see the new dictionary is emptied, but the original it's still as it is.